Health and disease. Your health is a state of physical and mental well-being, not just an absence of disease. Communicable or infectious diseases, like for example the flu, are caused by pathogens, which are disease-causing agents, such as bacteria and viruses, that can be passed from one person to another, and that's why we call them communicable or infectious. Non-communicable diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another. They are like cancer or heart disease. Both are major health problems, but other factors can also affect health besides diseases, and we are going to talk about these factors in this video. The first one is the diet. If you do not eat enough of the right nutrients, you may suffer from diseases ranging from starvation to anemia or rickets. Too much food, or the wrong type of food, on the other hand, can lead to problems such as obesity, some cancers like colon cancer, or type 2 diabetes. The second factor is stress. A certain level of stress is inevitable in everyone's life and is probably needed for our bodies to function normally and properly. Some level of stress keeps us alert. However, too much stress is linked to an increased risk of developing a wide range of health problems such as heart disease, certain cancers, and mental health problems. Here we see a graph showing the correlation between stress and depression. We see that as the stress score is increasing, the depression score is also increasing. There is a high correlation between stress and depression. So they are linked. And the final factor we're going to talk about includes a lot of different factors, and they are all under the same umbrella of life situations, like for example, where you live in the world, your gender, your ethnicity, your financial status, whether there is free healthcare provided and how much free healthcare is provided, and also whether it's good, how many children you have, and the local sewage and rubbish disposal, and of course, the level and the type of pollution found around you. And all of these factors that we talked about are things that people have little or no control over. So our health is not only affected by communicable and non-communicable diseases, there are situations and factors that we cannot control really, like most of these life situations. And also we are affected by stress and by our diet, and sometimes we can't control those either. Yet, they have a huge effect on our health and well-being. They are responsible for many causes of ill health, such as diarrheal diseases and malaria, which are communicable, and heart diseases and even cancer, which are non-communicable. So we see how these factors can even be responsible for communicable and non-communicable diseases.